In a sunny town, a young boy named Jack is playing with his dog by the river. He suddenly sees his friend Tom running towards him with a basket. Jack happily shouts, "Can you help me?" while pointing at the basket. His friend stops and looks at him with a smile. They both have a great time catching fish, making Jack feel excited and grateful for Tom's help. Jack picks up a fish and smiles, then throws it into the basket. Tom watches with admiration and nods. Jack says, "I like him." He points to the fish, which seems to be the best catch of the day. Tom laughs and claps Jack on the back. They are both very happy, trying to catch more fish, and the atmosphere is upbeat and friendly. Tom's mother calls from the house, "She called us," and waves her hand. Jack turns around and sees Tom's mother standing at the doorway, looking worried. Tom starts running home, and Jack follows. As they approach, Tom's mother says, "We need to go home quickly." Jack nods and walks with Tom, returning to the house with his basket. Tom's mother opens the door and says, "You should have come home earlier." She looks at the basket, then at Jack, who is still holding the fish. She smiles and says, "It's okay, we can eat later." Jack feels relieved, and Tom is glad he helped. They sit on the porch, the sun setting behind them, and talk about their day. Tom's mother invites them inside for dinner. She says, "Come in, we're having fish today." Jack nods and follows her, while Tom helps carry the basket. Inside, the kitchen is warm and lit by soft light. The mother is cooking on the stove, and the aroma of fish fills the room. Jack and Tom sit at the table, ready to eat. Jack takes a bite of the fish and smiles. He says, "I love this," to Tom, who is sitting next to him. Tom responds, "Me too," as he takes a bite himself. Their mother laughs and says she knows they both like fish. The room is filled with the sound of laughter and the smell of fresh fish. While eating, Tom explains, "We need to be careful with the fish." He points to the plate, showing the remaining fish. Jack looks at the plate and says, "Give it to them." He notices that there are more fish than they can eat. Tom's mother nods and says, "We can share with our neighbors tomorrow." Jack and Tom start to laugh again. A neighbor, Mrs. Brown, arrives and asks if they can give her some fish. Jack says, "Sure, give it to them," and hands her the basket. Mrs. Brown thanks them and says she'll take it home. Jack and Tom feel proud of themselves for being helpful. They look at each other and smile, with a sense of accomplishment. After giving the fish to Mrs. Brown, Jack says, "You did great," to Tom. Tom replies, "Thanks, you helped too." They both nod and feel happy. Their mother smiles and walks over, saying, "You two are the best friends." Jack and Tom laugh and run outside to play with the dog again, feeling full and content. Tom grabs a stick and throws it for the dog. Jack runs after it, saying, "I love playing with you," to Tom. They are both having fun, their laughter echoing in the quiet afternoon. As they play, their mother watches from the window, feeling happy that her children are joyful and helpful. The day ends with a sense of happiness and success.